sun, searching for a longer.
Welcome to Food Friday, everyone. Now, today's oat squares or flapjacks, some people call them, is made by my elder sister and recorded by my niece all the way from Birmingham. Thank you for that, Anjum. As you can see, she pours the oats in a bowl and then the caster sugar goes in. So my elder sister's tip is, guys, stick to the ingredients exact amount, because she tried to put too much golden syrup in the mixture and it just wouldn't set properly in the oven. So yeah, she had to keep it in the oven for an hour when it's a 15 to 20 minutes process in the oven. As you can see, this is the butter that she's putting in. The butter should be unsalted and in room temperature, but obviously she's going to melt it a bit in the microwave, which is a good idea. So melt it a little bit in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly fold it in the mixture. Obviously I sped it up in the video. So as you can see, it's 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, but my sister decided she should put too much in. I think the excitement got to all of them, the sugar rush. But yeah, so make sure you stick to only 3, please. And fold it into the mixture. And then you should add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix it really well in the bowl. Now here, so she wanted to add chocolate chips in, but since she didn't have chocolate chips, she got a bar of chocolate and cut that into little pieces. You can add anything. You can add chocolate, you can add raisins, you can add fruit, you can add anything of your choice. She's decided to add chocolate. Now you need to preheat the oven on 200 degrees, and while that's preheating, obviously make your mixture and then add baking paper into the tray, cut it to size and add the mixture into the tray. Baking paper makes it easier so it doesn't stick around to the tray and it doesn't seem hard to get out afterwards. So and once you put the mixture in the tray, put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 150 degrees. As you can see here, you got to spread the mixture out evenly around the tray. All around the edges. Smooth it out all around the tray. Is it me or is this satisfying to watch? And there we go. In the oven it goes. And there we have it, guys. Once it's out of the oven, touch the top bit. It should be golden brown and hard. And then cut it into nice little squares. And there you go. Ready to eat. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.